about the importance of recruitment. Now, what is the importance of recruitment for organizational success, or you can say not only success, for organization existence actually? So yes, obviously, because if there won't be any employee, how the organization will work? Even we can see, AI is there, or nowadays AI is there, but still employees are there. Definitely, recruitment serves as the cornerstone of organizational success, and it plays an important role in shaping the future of the company. So here's let's discuss about the recruitment importance. Now, first and foremost is increased productivity. See, when I'm recruiting the candidate, when I am acquiring the right talent, then yes, I would be hiring a person who knows about the production, who knows about the organizational, who knows about the industry, who knows about the product. Okay, I would be hiring the right talent, and that right talent would be a person who will be aware of how this product works, how my product works, how this is produced, how this is marketed. Like if I'm hiring for marketing department, then that person is well aware about the marketing. If I'm hiring for the production department, then yes, that person is well versed in that production field. Okay, so yes, obviously this will help to increase productivity. Here it means like when employees are well suited to their roles and aligned with the organization's values and culture, they are more likely to be engaged and committed to their work, leading to increased productivity and reduced turnover. Right? So, yes, obviously, productivity will increase. Next is innovation and growth, and you can say innovation and adaptability as well. So, a diverse and talented workforce definitely fosters innovation and adaptability within the organization. They will include innovation and adaptability, like whatever things are running in the market, whatever new things are there, yes, they will adopt, they will try to adopt it, they will try to integrate into the organization. And by recruiting individuals with diverse backgrounds, perspectives, and experiences, organizations can tap into a broader range of ideas and approaches, driven innovation and creativity. Okay, so this is innovation and growth will be there. Next is employee engagement and retention. Now, see, effective recruitment practices contribute to higher levels of employee engagement and retention. If you have recruited candidate in a right way, you are following the right path, yes, then employee will feel satisfied, employee will feel more likely to be committed to the organization. And yes, then the employee will be engaged, and there will be low turnover. People won't quit easily. There will be high retention. People are engaged and happy, and they feel valued, they feel respected. Then yes, they will retain in the organization. They won't be moving to any other organization if they feel that yes, they are being valued, they are being respected.